Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to install and set up a free VPN on your TCL 30SE device. So first I have to tell you that the free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content, because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. So let's get started. At the beginning, open your web browser and go to 2ip.io website. Thanks to this website, we can see how all websites see our location. So just type 2ip.io, and as you can see, 2ip shows that we are in Poland now. But now open Play Store and find here Turbo VPN. Find the app with a rabbit on the icon and click Install. Click Open, Agree. Click on the cross on the left top corner. Cool. Then just click on the caret on the center of your screen and click OK. Wait a while. So cool. Next, click on the cross on the right top corner and open web browser to reload to ip.io website. As you can see, VPN is working. We're in Germany now, in Frankfurt. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you again. Bye.